Connect the power by wire. Open the air source, make sure 0.6兆帕. Check the turntable and clear away clutter. Turn the power on. Check whether each vibrating plate controller light on. Then check each vibrating plate whether has products. Press overall reset 3 seconds, then this green light on. And for station 1, if the rotate storage position has material, must be cleared away. Then we can press start to run the machine. Machine stop and screen alarm. Find station 3 number 4. Take product out and check problem lacking. Solution: manually add the platform and put back to position. Then clear alarm and start. Station 1 material alarm. Check vibrating plate and conveyor to find the problem. If vibrating plate material stop, manually take those PCs out. Then clear alarms and start. If machine stop at station 1 barrel direction reversal, manually take the wrong PC out. And push next one, it will restart.